In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use the chart of accounts in Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned Zoho Books user or just getting started, this guide will help you navigate your financial records more effectively. Let's dive in. First, we'll begin by finding the chart of accounts. Start by logging into your Zoho Books account using your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll see an option labeled Accountant. Click on this, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Chart of Accounts. This is your hub for managing all your financial accounts in Zoho Books, allowing you to view, categorize, and organize your data efficiently. Now let's move on to creating a new account. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, you'll notice a button that says Plus New Account. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a form where you can define the specifics of your new account. You'll need to select an account type. Zoho Books offers several options like expense, income, or asset, so choose what best fits your needs. After that, enter a distinct account name. If you prefer, you can designate this account as a sub-account by checking the appropriate box. Adding an account code and a descriptive note is optional, but can prove useful for record keeping and clarity. Once you're satisfied with your inputs, hit the Save button to create the account. Editing an existing account is fairly straightforward too. Head back to the chart of accounts where you'll see a list of all your accounts. Find the account you wish to edit and click on the gear icon next to its name, or use the Edit button if you're on the account details page. You will now have the opportunity to modify any details you see fit. Once you've made your changes, make sure to click Save. Additionally, you might see a More icon near the account details, offering features like Mark as Inactive for any accounts you are no longer using but wish to keep in your records. Lastly, let's cover importing accounts. From the Chart of Accounts page, look to the top right corner for the More icon. Click on it and select Import Chart of Accounts. From here, you'll need to choose the file you want to upload. Zoho Books supports various formats such as CSV, TSV, or XLS, so select the one you have prepared. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. These will guide you through mapping the headers from your file to the corresponding fields in Zoho Books, ensuring your data is accurately imported. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your chart of accounts in Zoho Books, ensuring a seamless accounting experience. Whether it's finding, creating, editing, or importing accounts, you're now equipped to handle it all. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting.